Vishwanath and his Manjari Swarup has bathed Radharani's feet, now drying with the hair, because she's thinking, I want to dry Radharani's feet, but I picked this cloth. I use this cloth, this very soft piece of cloth, cotton cloth, very, very soft. But now that I pick it up and I'm about to use this to dry Radharani's feet, but it's too hard. It's too, because when I'm bathing Radharani's feet, with my tears, I'm feeling them and I'm pressing them slightly and rubbing them with my hands. I'm rubbing the Brajaduli off the bottom of Radharani's feet, the dust. So now I know they're so soft. So after touching Radharani's feet, I go and touch this cloth on the puja tray. Oh, but my heart is telling me, my fingers are telling me this is not good, and my heart is telling me this is not good. This is the bhakta. When you're making some offering, your fingers are touching the thing you want to buy or prepare, and your mind is looking, and you're thinking, oh, this is not good enough. This is not good enough to offer my guru or to Krishna. I don't like the way this feels. Oh, this feels, or this looks. So we think so much, even as sadhakas, before making an offering. So the manjari is thinking, this cloth is not soft enough, and now I've touched these feet. I can't conceive how soft Radharani's feet are. What suitable object can I use to dry Radharani's feet? So I can use my heart. I'll use my heart. No, but I can't just take my heart out, because then I can't do this service tomorrow, because I won't be here. So then I just, my hair is so soft. Why is it soft? Because her hair is reflecting the beautiful soft heart of Radharani. Her hair has now become Mahabhav. So with Mahabhav hair, the manjari can dry the Mahabhav feet of Radharani. So that's why he uses his hair, or she uses her hair. It's very soft. It's very soft, and this represents the best thing the manjari has, the softest thing the manjari has. Softer than this is her heart. And she can't take out her heart to massage dry Radharani's feet, so she takes the nearest thing, which is her hair.